And I've come to see and what is happening in the Batin of Nkranza Diocese. The man has done a great job indeed. I give him an excellent administrator, putting things right, making it very plain and giving opportunities to clergy to be able to make choice of parishes where they would like to serve. That's a great one. It doesn't happen that way. And making preparation for funds for the incoming bishop once they're going to have the diocese is a great one that I will plead with our people in Nkranza not to take for granted. And he's a man to be loved, he's a man to be deeply appreciated. During and when and after they might have gotten the diocese, let there not be severing, but the bond of unity must continue. And again, like I've said to His Lordship, that we should do more of concentrating on the youth. This service was great today when the youth started singing. This place was on fire. So there should be more. We have the youth services in churches, and there could be youth program where we could really do training and retraining of this young one. As a matter of fact, the aspect of discipleship is very, very important for church growth and church life. We're going to look at that for the future of our diocese and the future of the church.